Phrasal verbs about health. Taken to admit someone to the hospital. Ikramullah was taken in for treatment after fighting. Pass out, to lose or faint consciousness. Atiksa passed out after dehydration. Get over, to recover from an illness. It took my friend a month to get over the flu. Throw up, to omit. I threw up after eating spoiled biryani. Breakout, to develop skin problems like rashes. They broke out in rashes after eating peanuts. Cut down on, to reduce the intake of something unhealthy. You should cut down on sugar for better health. Pass away, a polite or formal way to say that someone has died. For instance, my friend passed away today. Come down with, to start suffering from an illness. For instance, I think I am coming down with a cold.